I'm Nick Shay, Professor of Ocean Sciences at the University of Miami. So an expendable probe is something that we throw out of an airplane, either the NOAA airplanes or the Air Force aircraft. An expendable will parachute to the surface, and shortly thereafter, once the probe turns on, it will release a sensor. And some of the sensors go down to 400 meters. Other sensors go to 1,000 meters. Some of the real sophisticated ones go down to 1,500 meters. After a certain amount of time, the probe or sensor will be released. And you can actually pick it up on the airplane through radio frequency channels. It's really critical for hurricane work to have measurements in the storm. And the beauty of what we do with these expendables is that we not only launch the ocean expendables, we also launch the atmospheric expendables from the airplanes. So that gives you an idea what's happening in the atmosphere, at the same time what's happening in the ocean. Because after several decades of research, it has become very clear that both the ocean and the atmosphere are coupled. And to understand that coupling, you need measurements in both fluids simultaneously to really begin to understand how the ocean and the atmosphere are interacting. One of the main data types that we get is temperature. And temperature is quite important for things like hurricanes and intensity change in storms, as well as current and salinity and current shear, because those quantities are important to understand how much the temperature changes, say when a hurricane is passing over. We have put together an ocean heat content product that we have running in 3 basins, Atlantic, North, and South Pacific. Every day we get satellite data in. We combined it with oceanographic data, and the maps are available out online, which allows forecasters to say, okay, there's a warm eddy out there, there's a cold eddy out there. It will help aid it in the forecast to know what lies beneath. We had a total of 6 flights in different stages for Ida, 2 in the Caribbean and 4 in the Gulf. And we captured that rapid intensity change of Hurricane Ida.